Want to get Adobe Creative Cloud for just 6.99 per month instead of paying full price? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how you can get a fully working Adobe Creative Cloud subscription at a very low cost, and yes, this is exactly what I personally use. First, check the link from video description, that is where you will find this exact offer. As you seen here, Adobe Creative Cloud subscription per month only 6.99 compared to the official price. This is a huge saving, especially if you are a freelancer, student or content creator. Let's quickly look at what's included here. 4000 Firefly AI credit, maximum 2 device login, access to 20 plus Adobe apps, ready to use Adobe credential, email and password provided. So basically everything you need to start working right away. I have already purchased this package from here. Now I will show you how to get the access. After purchase, click on profile icon, then click on orders. Now click on view. Look at here, they have already added Adobe Creative Cloud email and password here. Now open Adobe Creative Cloud from here. Go to the browser again and copy the email from here and paste the email here. Then click on continue. Again go to the browser and copy the password from here and paste the password here. Then click on continue. Now click on not now. Please wait, it will take a few seconds to log in. Successfully log in here. Now you can able to install any Adobe app from here. Now I will show you how to check your Firefly AI credit. So minimize this app from here and then go to browser and open adobe.com. Then click on login. Enter the email here. Then click on continue. Then paste the password here and click on continue. Then not now. Look at here, login successfully. Now click on profile icon and scroll down. Look at here, 4000 credit left here. This is the way to get Adobe Creative Cloud at lowest price. Thank you very much for watching this video.